Ever found yourself in a predicament where you've made an error on your NEET application or had your payment stuck? It's a common issue faced by many and can cause considerable stress. But fret not. This video is here to guide you on how to contact the National Testing Agency to resolve these issues. So where do we start? The first step is to pick up your phone and dial either of these two numbers, 0114-075-9000 or 0116-9227-700. As you dial, you might hear a recorded message saying something like, "I am calling from National Testing Agency to intimate." Now, don't let this deter you. Following this, you'll be presented with a series of IVR options, numbered 1, 2, and 3. It's important to note that these options won't work, so don't bother pressing them. Instead, patiently wait until all the prompts have completely run their course. After the prompts, you'll hear another recorded message saying, "All our executives are busy." Take a deep breath. You are now in the queue. The waiting game begins now. It typically takes between 5 to 7 minutes for an executive to pick up your call. If for some reason the call ends prematurely, don't lose hope. Dial the number again and repeat the process. So, to summarize, dial the given numbers, patiently wait through the initial recorded messages and IVR options, and finally wait in the queue for an executive to pick up your call. It's a test of patience, but remember, persistence is key. In conclusion, contacting the National Testing Agency to resolve NEET application issues might seem daunting, but it's a manageable task if you know how to navigate the process. So hang in there and keep trying until you get through. Before we sign off, consider subscribing to this YouTube channel and activate all notifications via the bell icon. This way, you won't miss any future videos that could be of help. Remember, knowledge is power, and staying informed is the best way to tackle any challenge that comes your way. Thank you for tuning in. Remember, you're not alone in this journey, and with the right guidance, you can overcome any hurdles that come your way.